This is a Malawian household. We are going. Who is going first? Huh? Yeah. Some of the building. These are some of the building material in Malawi. Just similar to Namibia. Here we are the same actually. But their brick wall is everything. And most of the house.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
Good.
Are you the owner of the house?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, so we came without greeting the owner.
No problem.
Okay.
Oh,
For everyone.
Human nature.
Yeah, but sorry, I have one.
It's okay.
Yeah, no?
Yeah,
No
it's fine.
problem.
you did what?
How are your family?
Yeah, okay. We are listening.
Thanks. Auntie, how are you?
I'm fine now. I'm actually a YouTuber.
Thanks. Sorry, I have one toilet.
What do you want to say about our visit?
Yeah, I'm saying thank you so much. You are welcome to now. I think now is everything is good because we know something.
Yeah.
Yeah, we teach us something. We know to make the food a good one. That is good. Thank you so much. They will help you. You see that thing is very good. Everyone when he pass here, they will just laughing. Say maybe she thinks it's mine.
Yes.
But the government, I thank you so much.
What is your name?
My name is Robson Audi. Mashallah, jazakallah. My name is Robson Audi. I'm the owner for this village. My brother is chief.
Yes, Chief.
Yeah, my brother is chief for our village. Thank you so
The
much.
name of the village.
Sorry?
The name of the village.
Jess Village.
Yes.
Jess Village. Yeah, Jess Village.
Okay.
What are you farming with here?
I hear the farming from I got the 4 children. Then but I got 1 wife. Then my mother has died. That's sorry. My father has died. Yeah, but I stay with the children for my sister passed away also. The children I stay with me also. Yeah.
Okay.
But I got my brothers. This family. Me, I'm owner for this family.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And what are you farming with?
Sorry.
What are you growing?
What are you growing in your field?
They're growing the food last year. I get many food. Got many food, but the problem they're just selling because they are poor.
Yeah.
You see, they're selling to get money. They start to build that business shop. So maybe gonna grow to the school. They got 4 children. The 3 of them go to school.
Okay.
Yeah, they help me for that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay.
You produce
Why? Oh, you did N-shape.
Yes.
N-shape also.
Yeah.
FFS
Oh,
also.
and FFF.
Approach.
Oh, this the one in front. This is your shop.
Yeah.
And there's, this is shop.
Oh, we are going to.
So you're going to support and buy the kids.
Yes,
something from the
yes.
shop.
We want to support your shop.
Yeah.
something.
Maybe thank you so much because I don't have anyone to support me. You
Oh.
see, that children will go to school on grade 8, but I didn't get money to go to fees.
Oh, what are you having in your shop?
I have the rice and something also. Oil,
Cooking,
yeah, cooking oil, soap, sweet.
Sweet, I want sweet.
Yeah, I see.
I want sweet, yeah.
Cold drink, some cold drink. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mucha kupurashika? Eh?
300.
Ununa. How much is a big of rice?
The bigger price, the Malawi-Village is get 150,000.
Oh.
The bag 50 kg.
But now the one you're selling in your shop?
They are selling the cups, 1 cups for 1,100.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to buy some cups
Yeah.
for one
household.
family,
Yeah.
for your household.
Yeah.
Then I also buy the biscuit for the children also.
No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah, we'll wait for people to finish.
Yeah.
Aliyense atakhala ndi nyumba zooneka bwino komanso ndi ziweto za nkhuku zokwanira ndi makolaso owetera okhalamo ziwetozi oonekaso bwino.
As a group, their vision is to see that by the year 2016, each and every member should at least have 2026. So 2026, each member of the group should have a well modern island roofed house, as well as an improved collar for chickens, that's poultry, as well as improvement in their rights. Thank you very
It was here asked us to show vision, that vision. Now the second person is coming asked to say on what we are
Group work here in Malawi, they are doing very well. As you can see here, these are just group members. They showed us the food they're producing. They're using all the 6 group of food. This means they are healthy and their kids are healthy, their household are healthy. And you can see this is a plan for their maize crop. Here their staple food is maize. In Namibia we have mahangu, which is quite different from what Malawi produce here. And you can see the women and the men are working together to produce food for the household. These are the women seated here listening because they are part of the production group. And then this group, you can see even from different regions. The Christian are here, the Muslim are here. They are all seated on one mat toward the food production. And I'm so inspired, especially by their chicken house, which is just right here behind. No, it's not a chicken house, I mean a goat house. This is their goat house, the wooden one that is up there. It's so beautiful inside. And then it protects the goats from the rain or other weather. It also protect them from predators. I really learned a lot from this visiting tour to Malawi. This is our group that we went from Namibia. We went just to learn and to experience the farmer field school and how they are incorporating Shape, which is another project, and then farmer field toward production of food and making money and improving life. When you hear from their story, if we had time to interview each and everyone, you can hear like it have changed. This farmer field school is really operating and is changing people's life. It's improving people's lives. See, they are building brick houses. So that is where we end for today for that group. But then we have to go to the next one since we have to go to 2 groups. The other group went to visit the farmer field school on another topic. But as we are here now going to meet them, have lunch and go just to the next one. You can see Malawi have nice road sometime, but some are washed off by the rain because here they receive lot of rain. Unlike Namibia, we even ask them what is drought, and like, what is drought? We don't know what is drought. For them, they know what is flood. In Namibia, we receive very little rainfall. That's why we mostly produce mahangu, because mahangu is the one that doesn't need more rain or water to germinate or to give good production. This is our road trip. This one is the other part of Malawi, which have fewer plants, just a lot of garden. But one thing I've noticed about Malawi, if you can see by the road, there's always someone. Like there's a lot of people. You can't travel for a distance without meeting people. There's always people. But the animal here, you cannot see them that much. Like some area, like as you can see from this road, there's no animal, only people, and then crop fields, maize field, and then they just keep them like that because there's no animal to destroy them or anything. And they keep very little animal, like just fewer goats, 3 goats or 4 goats per household, from what I've observed now from this video. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my vlog, this one, Please come back again tomorrow to enjoy another Malawi vlog. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. What do you think about the song that we've been receiving?